Did you know that the little box of baking soda sitting in your kitchen cabinet right now could be the solution to over 20 common health problems and household challenges? Most people think it's just for baking cookies or deodorizing refrigerators. But this $1 wonder product has secret uses that pharmaceutical companies don't want you to discover. Today, I'm revealing all of them, including one baking soda trick that the majority of people have never heard about, which I'll share at the end of this video. So what exactly is baking soda? Well, its scientific name is sodium bicarbonate, and it's a natural mineral found in deposits around the world. Places like California, Colorado, Kenya, and Mexico have large amounts of this mineral, which is sometimes called analyte in its natural form. Baking soda is alkaline, meaning it can neutralize acids. It has a pH of about 9, which is why it's so effective at balancing acidity in your body and around your home. This simple powder is truly a jack of all trades. And remember, baking soda is not the same as baking powder. Baking soda is 100% sodium bicarbonate, while baking powder contains sodium bicarbonate plus other ingredients like acid salts. It's the pure form that gives us all these amazing benefits we're about to explore. Let's start with something many of us struggle with: heartburn and indigestion. That burning sensation in your chest after a big meal can really ruin your day. Here's where baking soda comes to the rescue. Because it's alkaline, it can help neutralize stomach acid that's causing that uncomfortable burning sensation. According to health experts, this is why many commercial antacids actually contain sodium bicarbonate as their active ingredient. For occasional heartburn relief, many healthcare professionals suggest mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda in 2 cups of water and sipping it slowly about an hour after eating. The quick reaction between the baking soda and your stomach acid helps reduce that painful burning naturally and affordably. And I can tell you, this works so much better than spending money on those expensive antacids at the pharmacy. It's the same active ingredient, but at a fraction of the cost. Speaking of acid neutralization, this remarkable property also makes baking soda incredibly effective for oral health too. Did you know baking soda has natural antibacterial properties that can help fight bacteria like Streptococcus mutans, which causes tooth decay? That's why so many toothpastes actually contain baking soda as an ingredient. It helps freshen breath, whiten teeth, and reduce harmful bacteria in your mouth. For a simple mouth rinse, you can mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/8 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water. This solution is so gentle yet effective that it's even recommended by some oncologists for cancer patients experiencing mouth discomfort during chemotherapy. But the benefits of this wonder powder extend far beyond your mouth. If you've ever had painful mouth sores or canker sores, baking soda can provide remarkable relief there too. Those small but incredibly painful lesions can make eating and speaking uncomfortable. But baking soda's alkaline properties help neutralize acids in the mouth, reducing irritation and creating an environment less favorable to bacteria. A significant study at the Sunnybrook Oral Health Clinic treated over 3,000 patients with persistent mouth sores using baking soda rinses. With impressive results, they reported a 70% reduction in lesions, especially when used regularly. You can simply mix a small amount of water with baking soda to form a paste and apply it directly to the sore, or rinse your mouth with a baking soda solution 3 times a day. This method is safe even for children and provides quick pain relief, making eating much easier. The healing properties of baking soda don't stop at your mouth. They extend to your skin as well. If you're dealing with itchy skin from bug bites or mild irritations, a simple paste of baking soda and water can provide quick relief. The alkaline nature of baking soda helps neutralize the acids in insect venom and soothes irritated skin. For those with rough, dry skin on elbows, knees, or feet, baking soda makes an excellent gentle exfoliant. Just mix it with a little water to form a paste, massage it gently onto the skin, and rinse it off for smoother, softer skin. And here's something most people don't know. Baking soda can help clear up fungal infections. Its antifungal properties make it effective against various fungal groups, including those that cause skin and nail infections. Now let's talk about something that affects millions of people: joint pain and inflammation. This might surprise you, but baking soda could help people suffering from arthritis pain. A groundbreaking study published in 2018 found that baking soda may create an anti-inflammatory environment in the body. Researchers observed that when test subjects consumed a solution of baking soda mixed with water, they experienced reduced inflammation in joints and a more balanced immune response. For those with arthritis, some healthcare practitioners suggest mixing half a teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drinking it once daily, preferably after a meal. The research showed encouraging results, with significant reduction in joint inflammation and a more balanced immune response. But remember, this should only be done under medical supervision, especially if you have high blood pressure or heart issues. This anti-inflammatory effect ties in perfectly with how baking soda can support one of your body's most vital filtration systems, your kidneys. Your kidneys play a crucial role. They filter your blood, eliminate toxins, and maintain fluid balance. But sometimes conditions like chronic kidney disease can impair these essential functions. Scientific research has shown that baking soda might help support kidney health. A clinical study published in the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found something remarkable. Patients with chronic kidney disease who took sodium bicarbonate supplements were significantly less likely to experience rapid progression of their kidney disease. How does it work? The bicarbonate helps buffer acids in the body, which can take strain off the kidneys. When kidneys aren't functioning optimally, they struggle to remove acid from the body. The study revealed that after 2 years, participants who regularly consumed bicarbonate reduced their risk of progression to kidney failure by an impressive 36%. They also showed improvement in combating metabolic acidosis, a common condition in kidney patients. The alkalizing effects of baking soda don't just help your kidneys. They can also provide relief for another common and uncomfortable condition, particularly among women: urinary tract infections. UTIs can be incredibly uncomfortable, and women are more likely than men to experience them. The burning sensation, the frequent urges to urinate, it's no fun at all. A scientific study from 2017 found that baking soda could help alleviate UTI symptoms in women with acidic urine. After 4 weeks of taking baking soda orally, the women's urine became more alkaline, and they reported significant improvement in their symptoms. This makes baking soda a simple, affordable option for supporting UTI recovery, particularly when the urine is acidic. But always consult your doctor before trying this approach. Are you active? Do you exercise regularly? Then you'll love this next benefit that connects perfectly with what we've been discussing about acid neutralization. Baking soda has been studied for its potential to enhance exercise performance and recovery. When we exercise intensely, lactic acid builds up in our muscles, causing that burning sensation and fatigue. The alkaline nature of baking soda may help neutralize this acid. Some studies suggest that consuming baking soda before exercise might improve performance during high-intensity activities. Scientists call this bicarbonate loading, and research indicates it may have a moderate positive effect on athletic performance during sustained strenuous exercise lasting between 1 and 7 minutes. After exercise, soaking in a warm bath with half a cup of baking soda added may help neutralize lactic acid buildup in the muscles, potentially reducing soreness and speeding recovery. One small clinical study of 8 healthy male subjects found that consuming baking soda before intermittent cycling actually improved their sprint performance. Baking soda's benefits go well beyond just internal health. Let's talk about its magic around your home. Natural deodorizer. Baking soda doesn't just mask odors, it neutralizes them. You can sprinkle it on carpets before vacuuming, place an open box in your fridge, or even add a small bowl in smelly shoes. It absorbs odors from garbage cans, litter boxes, and gym bags. It's safe, non-toxic, and works like a charm. Safe and gentle cleaner. Ditch the harsh chemicals. Baking soda is mildly abrasive, which makes it great for scrubbing surfaces without scratching them. Clean your countertops, sinks, and even your stovetop with a simple paste of baking soda and water. It removes grease, soap scum, and even crayon marks on walls. Laundry booster. Tired of clothes that don't smell fresh even after washing? Add half a cup of baking soda to your laundry to neutralize odors and soften fabrics. It also boosts the power of your detergent, leaving clothes cleaner and brighter. Produce cleaner. Want to get rid of pesticide residues on fruits and vegetables? Just soak your produce in a solution of water and baking soda for 12 to 15 minutes, then rinse. It's a safe and effective way to reduce surface contaminants. Fire extinguisher for small grease fires. This could be life-saving. If you ever have a small grease fire in your kitchen, never use water. Instead, throw baking soda on the flames. It releases carbon dioxide when heated, which helps smother the fire quickly. Now let's bring it back to the body. 6. Foot soak for tired, aching feet. After a long day, soak your feet in warm water with a few tablespoons of baking soda. It soothes tired muscles, softens calluses, and even helps with foot odor. For an extra soothing effect, add a few drops of lavender essential oil. Natural deodorant. Out of deodorant, you can use a pinch of baking soda under your arms. It neutralizes body odor-causing acids and bacteria, giving you a fresh feeling without any synthetic chemicals. Itchy scalp relief. Mix a little baking soda with your shampoo, or create a paste and apply it to your scalp. It helps remove buildup and reduce itchiness. Just don't overuse it. Once a week is enough to avoid drying out your hair. Clean toothbrushes, combs, and brushes. Soak them in a mix of baking soda and water to remove debris, odors, and bacteria. It's a cheap, natural way to keep your grooming tools clean and fresh. Drain cleaner. No need for toxic drain cleaners. Pour half a cup of baking soda, followed by half a cup of vinegar down the drain. Wait 15 minutes. Then flush with boiling water. This simple trick clears minor clogs and removes odors. Final thoughts. From your mouth to your muscles, from your fridge to your floors, baking soda proves that sometimes the simplest solutions really are the best. Whether you're dealing with health challenges, cleaning your home, or even boosting your workouts, this white powder is an unsung hero. So the next time you walk by that little box in your cabinet, remember, you're looking at a natural powerhouse that's been quietly working wonders for centuries. If you've made it this far, it's clear you're interested in natural, effective solutions. And baking soda is just the beginning. So if you found this video valuable, hit that like button, subscribe to Health Hub for more powerful home remedies and health tips, and share this video with someone who needs to hear this. Also, let us know in the comments, what's your favorite way to use baking soda? Or, have you tried any of the tips we mentioned today? Thanks for watching, and as always, stay healthy, stay informed, and stay empowered.